Alright, welcome to this very short piano tutorial on Mercy Chinwo's new song, Too Many Reasons. This is a very beautiful song in the key of B. So this song has 4 chords in there, and it has 3 major chords and 1 minor. The first one is the minor G sharp minor. So that's G sharp, B, and E flat. Now you can add your 7. So it sounds like that. But it's optional if you want to. And then it goes to the E major. E, G sharp, and B. But we're gonna play an inversion right here. Same chords. And then the next one is just the F sharp major. So F sharp is number right here. But we're playing an inversion right here. We're taking this one, we bring it right here. And then the last chord is just your B major. So that's right here. So of course when we start playing, it's gonna be very helpful if you can play inversions. So just those 4 chords: G sharp minor, add your 7, E major, F sharp, and then your B major. So So in terms of the number system, it's pretty much the 6 to your 4, and then your 5, and then your 1. 6, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so I'm going to transpose to C sharp. So basically I just transposed to C sharp because I played C sharp. So but it's pretty much the same thing regardless of the key you're in. You go to your 6, and then your 4, and then your 5, and then your 1. So during the chorus, you don't even have to play the 6th minor. You can just play from your too many reasons to give you praise, oh Lord, you are good. You can go 6. So in the verses, you can include your 6, but in the chorus, you can just be going through your 1, your 4, then 5, and then back to 1 again. You just hold it one more time. Then you go to your 4. Okay, so simple like that. Let's roll the song. Yeah, so easy like that. Sometimes you throw in your 6, especially for the verses, but sometimes you just, for the most part, you just staying on your 1 too many to give you praise, oh Lord, you are. So I think the melody of the song goes something like this. Oh. And that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching this video. I really appreciate it, and that'll be all for today. Thanks and goodbye.